Hey everyone! If you want to clean up your Zapier account or remove an automation you no longer need, deleting a Zap is really simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a Zap in Zapier step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and go to your dashboard where all your Zaps are listed. Next, find the Zap you want to delete. Make sure it's the correct one, because once it's removed, you won't be able to recover it easily. Now click on the three-dot menu next to the Zap, or open the Zap settings depending on your interface. From the drop-down options, select Delete Zap. Zapier may ask you to confirm your choice before proceeding. After that, click Confirm to permanently delete the Zap from your account. The automation will immediately stop running. So, if you only want to pause it instead, you can turn the Zap off instead of deleting it completely. That way you can reactivate it later if needed. Finally, refresh your dashboard to make sure the Zap is no longer listed. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully deleted a Zap in Zapier. Now your workspace is cleaner and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.